Welcome back. No, we are not in the shop for this section. We need to work out of our books and we found a place we could be comfortable and concentrate. I recommend you do the same. During this video there will be 2-second pauses so you can pause and follow along in your workbook. You can stop, start, or rewind as many times as you want.
Sorry I'm late, Dave.
Did you bring your workbook?
I knew I forgot something. I'll be right back.
In this section we will be looking at pages 11 and 16. I always wanted to be a character in a book. On the top of page 11 you will find the alignment printout. Don't pay any attention to the colors. There are not printing errors, this was designed so you ignore the colors. All of your answers need to be based on the specifications in page 16 of the workbook. After you have reviewed the measurements and specifications, answer the questions using page 16 as a guide.
I think we've got this, Dave.
So to answer the first question, does this Civic pull or drift? We would look at effect on pull or drift on page 16. Remember, only front camber and caster can cause this.
Dave, the cross camber is only 0.2 of a degree and the caster is even. Since both are below the half degree on page 16, I would say no.
That's right, Jenny. To answer the second question on dog tracking, I would go to thrust angle at the bottom of page 16.
With a thrust angle of 0, which is far less than the 15/100ths of degree, this vehicle won't dog track.
That's right, Jenny. Jenny, do you remember what made the steering wheel straight?
I sure do, Dave. It was individual toe.
So why don't you cover the question on if the steering wheel is crooked?
Remember, in motion individual toe will be equal, in this case at 0.26 degrees, which is 1/2 of the total toe of 0.52 degrees. For that to happen, the right front wheel will toe in and the left front wheel will toe out. So the steering wheel will be crooked to the left. Do you want me to show you?
You don't have to show me, Jenny, keep your shoes on. So all that is left now is to look at the tire wear section on page 16. And then we can answer the last set of the questions on tire wear. Well, Jenny, how did you do?
I started at the front and camber was in, so that didn't cause wear. But the total toe was too positive, so the tires were feathered from the outside in. I did the same at the rear of the car. Starting with camber. The left side was okay, but the right side was too far negative, causing a smooth shoulder wear. The total toe being too far negative, or toed out, caused feathering across both rear tires from the inside out. I marked all 4 tires as having wear.
Great work, Jenny. You got all of the answers right. It looks like we are ready to go to the shop in the next segment.
I am so ready. I'll see you there.